Hello and welcome back. In this lesson or in this walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to create a Go package. So in order to do that, we are going to type GoEasyCLI, and if you recall, we did this. We will type help, and it should tell us how to create our Go package. So here is what it says: GoEasyCLI dash else dash library name dash r, and then the repo URL. So I'm going to copy this. Also, we can see that in the what's the name documentation if you want to create a library. So the to create that, go easy CLI dash L, the library name dash R, then the repo URL. So yep, let's get started. So I do clear and then paste this, and then all we have to do is to hit enter and allow GoEasyCLI to do the magic. Ta-da! And it will open it in your favorite editor. And we're also looking at either to provide an option, launch it in this editor, and then you can just choose. That will be a cool feature to add. Yeah, so if you want to contribute, you can actually, yeah, welcome to contribute to that. Yeah, so we have our my awesome Fafa library project set up. We just and enter, everything is bootstrap for us without us having to do anything. So Go Easy CLI actually takes care of the heavy lifting, allowing you to just focus on building your package or API without worrying about those repetitive tasks. So yep, let's see what GoEasyCLI is having for us. So yeah, you can see we have a workflow configured for you. So this workflow actually, when you push to main, it will build your project and also tag that for you. So you can tag your project depending on how you want to go about your tagging, and this should be able to handle that for you. Sounds amazing, right? Yes, so we also have the config. So this config, like I mentioned, we can actually have this config code in our application once we push this to GitHub, and then we are calling this GitHub link, and we can just do slash config. So if you see in this Go mod, you can see we have github.com fs notify slash f notify, then there's a version attached to it. So it's just the same thing we are trying to do over here. So right now, if you build this library or package, you can allow people to have this. They can do go get and then use your library in the application. I'm going to show you how to build packages and then how your team can leverage packages or some logics along the line. Then we have a database, so you can see we have this database in every project. We can have a package that will have all these configurations in there, and then we can just call them in our code without having to be disturbing our code with every time we have to have database in our directory structure when we are creating API. We can just leverage a different package that will handle all this. Sounds amazing, right? Yeah, and then also we have the emails. So like I showed you in the earlier video where we have email send. So this time around we can just call slash email, and then we can call this method send email with resend. You realize these things are starting with capital letters. There is a reason for that. If you want the function to be accessible, it needs to start everywhere. You need to start with a capital letter. If you want it to be private, then you have to start with small letter. So it will just be accessible in that particular package. Then we have a logger. Also the same. So we can have this made into a package, and then we can call that in our application, and we can have a way of maintaining this, like versioning this as we go along. You can continue to build this package with time. So this, you cannot run this, you can only deploy it to GitHub, and then it will give you the tag, let's say version 0.01, and you can just go get, and it will automatically set that up for you. In subsequent videos, I'm going to show you on how to build this and how to leverage this in your code base. So whether you're just getting started with Golang or you are pro looking for a more efficient way to manage your project, GoEasyCLI is definitely worth checking out. I'll actually link this video to our repository and also to the official documentation, uh, so that you can explore further. If you encounter any issue, if you are finding it difficult to set up this project, don't hesitate to comment. We will definitely reach out to you to see how best we can quickly jump on a call and fix that particular issue. Yeah. Ah, it's quite late at my place, I guess. Yeah, 11:45 p.m. Well, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from CodePass. Thanks so much for watching, and happy coding. And yeah, I'm super excited that I'm able to find time to record this video for you all. Bye. Wait. Have you subscribed yet? If you haven't, I'm sure I'm going to delete this video. I'm kidding. Bye bye.